Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Whirlpool washer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new home and you have a new Whirlpool washer. How do you actually go ahead and turn this on? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you have here is the dial button. And so you want to make sure this is set to normal. And then in order to turn it on, all you've got to do is power it on. And then you're going to see these buttons highlight. You want to make sure that for the rinse options, you actually click on rinse option and make sure that the fabric softener button is highlighted, as you can see there. And all you've got to do next is just press and hold this pause and start button. So press and hold, and you're going to see it light up like go. And then you're going to hear it start clicking and turning on. And then if you want to go ahead and pause it, just press pause and you can go ahead and turn it off. And then there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on your Whirlpool washer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.